Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you how you can install Trollstore 2 on iOS 15.8.4 without a jailbreak. And the good thing is that this process is only one time, as every time you reboot your device, Trollstore will keep on working. So actually it will survive every reboot. This method should work on all devices which run iOS 15.8.4. The method shared in this video is easier, more reliable. It is completely free. This video is for educational purposes, and the only aim of this video is to install Trollstore, which in turn allows you to install apps which do not expire every 7 days. For this, you will have to head to the official GitHub page for Trollrestore. Again, it is completely free. And to use Trollrestore, you will have to first of all install iTunes. Please install iTunes first from the official Apple's website to your computer which run Windows. Once iTunes is installed, you can simply scroll to the latest release for Trollrestore, and you can simply get the file for Trollrestore for your Windows computer from here. As you can see it right here that I already got the Trollrestore file right here. Now on your device, make sure that the Tips app is installed. If you somehow deleted it, you can easily go on to App Store and install it from here by simply searching for it. Also, it is recommended that before you do so, please turn off Find My iPhone on your device if it is turned on. Also, you can turn it on after Trollstore is successfully installed. Now, simply connect your device via USB to your computer, then right-click Trollrestore and then run it as administrator. Wait for it to initialize. Alright, you will see this text right here that you will have to specify an app you want to make it a Trollstore helper. So I will go with Tips. So you will simply type here Tips, T-I-P-S. So it is case sensitive. Press enter. You will see that it is replacing, and then your device will automatically reboot. Alright, my device is back after the reboot. Please make sure Wi-Fi is connected and then open the Tips app. You'll see that it is now the Trollstore helper. Now you can simply hit install Trollstore and wait for it to install. Your device will now respring. Let's make it a bit bigger. After the respring, you can see that Trollstore is now installed. You can simply open it. It will install LDIT. Now go to settings, then hit install persistence helper. I will go with the Tips app. Alright, it is done. You can go home. You can see the Tips app is now the persistence helper. Let's close out of everything and then reboot the device to see if Trollstore works. Alright, I'm back after rebooting my device. You can see that it indeed is running iOS 15.8.4. You can see Trollstore works without any problem. The persistence helper is there. No issues whatsoever. Now towards the end, a little troubleshooting that in rare cases, if Trollstore does not work, what you can do is you can simply open the persistence helper. In my case, it is the Tips app, and then you can simply refresh app registrations and it will start working again without a computer. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.